Today's video explains how to practice a movie song to enhance the beauty of your voice. You have to sing a movie song completely and learn it. Then you need to sing its A Karades. You have to listen to the audio and understand how to sing it. Here, listen to the audio of singing the A Karades of the song Kalividu Rankyo from the movie Desadanam. Composed by Sri Kathapransar and sung by Dasa. Here, only the Pallavi is sung. Like this, you should sing the song completely at least 10 to 20 times a day. Sing one song like this for a week. Then choose another song that you like and sing it and practice. Continue practicing every day. You will feel the beauty of your voice increasing tenfold. Listen to the audio.